Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to organize your kids' schoolwork in Notion, your ultimate 2025 guide. First off, let's create a new page in Notion. Click on the plus Add a Page button and name it something like Kids Schoolwork. The reason we do this is it allows us to have a centralized area where we can keep track of all the schoolwork. Next up, let's create a table inside this page. Click on the plus Add a Block button and choose Table. Now, the beauty of this feature lies in its ability to let us visualize all the tasks at a glance. In this table, we'll create 4 columns titled Subject, Assignment, Due Date, and Status. This helps us because it provides a clear and comprehensive overview of all tasks, their due dates, and their completion status. Now that we've done that, let's populate the table with some assignments. Type in the subject, the assignment's details, the due date, and the current status of the assignment. The reason we do this is it gives us a real-time update on the progress of each task. Once we have all the tasks listed, let's take it one step further. Click on each assignment to open a new page. Here, we can add extra details about the assignment, like notes, resources, or even a checklist of subtasks. This helps us because it allows us to break down bigger tasks into manageable parts. Finally, I recommend using the reminder function in Notion. Set a reminder a few days before the due date to avoid any last-minute rush. This feature is a lifesaver as it ensures no due dates are missed. So that's it, folks. With these simple steps, you can keep your kids' schoolwork organized in Notion. Remember, the key is consistency. Update the table as soon as a new assignment comes in, and you're good to go. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.